What is up, guys? It's Amir here, and today I'm going to be talking about the most underrated tool that you can be using in 2026 as a trader. So, if you were struggling in 2025, then we're going to go over the best tool that I personally use to complete my entries and to make money as a profitable trader. But many people don't talk about it, many people don't understand how it works, and many people think it's just too simple just for you to use it alone in order to make money. But I'm here to tell you that once you see this tool, if you do know what it is, then you're gonna be a little surprised probably because this is all I use, and you're probably gonna be like, it's so simple. It's just one small little thing that you make money with. There's no way. But there is a way, and I'm gonna show you exactly the tool that I use and how you can use it to make money as your own trader, as you trade with live accounts, and also as if you trade with prop firms as well. So the tool that we're going to be using is the 8-length exponential moving average, or an EMA. So the 8 EMA for short. So it'll be a moving average exponential on TradingView, or you'll just toggle that on and then you'll put this on. And as crazy as it sounds, this is the only indicator that I use, and I'm going to explain exactly why in a few. So with this, all you're going to be doing is just setting this from 9 to 8, because on TradingView it defaults automatically to 9, but I like to use the 8-length exponential moving average for my trend trades instead of 9. So this is the only thing that you're going to need on your chart. And like I said, I'm going to explain exactly why in a few, but this is the most underrated tool that I hear no one talking about. And I don't have any issues with it. Once you use it more and more, you'll be able to understand how these trades work. But it's very simple. All we're looking for is two things. The first thing we're looking for is higher highs and higher lows in the market. If we're looking at a bullish trend, once we have that, then we know that a trend is strong going to the upside. Or if we're looking at a bearish trend, we need lower highs and lower lows forming under this 8 EMA, which signals a strong bearish trend going to the downside. So bullish trend, higher highs and higher lows over this 8 EMA, and then a bearish trend, lower highs and lower lows under the 8 EMA. So that is the first thing that we're going to be looking for. And the second thing we're going to be looking for are rejection candles that formed over the 8 EMA. We want to see wicks either at the 8 EMA, near the 8 EMA, or under the 8 EMA, just like these five right here. And then as we can see, price came down to reject off the 8 EMA to come back up and close over. And then since it kept closing over, we see that it creates a new higher high, and then price comes back down to reject again twice off that 8 EMA to come back up and create a new higher high. And then if we go to this bearish trend, we can see, of course, the lower highs and lower lows, but we see that price is making a new lower low, and then makes a lower high right here, and then rejects off the zone of the 8 EMA to come back down. So those are the two things that we need from price to solidify it as a trend. And all we're going to be doing is using these pullbacks to actually get into trades. And once we see the pullback, we're going to use what the past historical data of the market is saying to simply find entries and gain profits. So just using these two examples, we see these 5 pullbacks here. We can use any of these as entries. We see these 2 pullbacks right here. We can use those as entries. And any of these pullbacks we can use as entries as well. But regardless of which way the trend is going, we need to see respect over the 8 EMA if it's a bullish trend, and we need to see respect under the 8 EMA if it's a bearish trend. If we see that price comes up and then we see a break on the 8 EMA and we continue to see closes under, then that is a sign that the trend may be reversing, or it may be doing a pullback on a different time frame. So just keep those in mind. But those are the two things that we're looking for on these trades. So now we're going to go ahead and look at an example on exactly how to get into a trade, because you may be thinking, okay, pullbacks, we get in on the pullbacks, but how exactly do we determine whenever we get into these trades? I'm about to show you. All right, so let's take a look at this 3-minute example. So we have lower highs and lower lows being formed under the 8 EMA, which is step 1 with the qualification to actually find a trade. So we have the lower highs and lower lows, which completes step 1. And the second thing we're going to need, since it is a bearish trade, we're going to need pullbacks. So we have the pullbacks right here, and we have 3 pullbacks right here. And then we have rejections right here as well. We have another rejection here. So we can tell that this is a strong bearish trend going to the downside. And if price does pull back to this 8 EMA, then it will most likely be respected, and we can use that pullback and rejection candle to actually get into a trade. So we're going to let these candles play out. This is not a pullback. It's too far from the 8 EMA. This is not a pullback, but this is a pullback right here. As we can see, the wick comes right here. It's at the 8 EMA, and it didn't end up closing over the 8 EMA, and it ended up closing under. So what we can do, we can go ahead and enter on this candle because we already have the past historical data of the market telling us that this 8 EMA is being respected, and that if we get into this trade, more times than not, it's going to continue to this downside. So we're going to go ahead and delete all of this, and we're going to go ahead and go a little bit under, and we're going to go to the short position, and we're going to target a new lower low, and then put our stop loss comfortably over this 8 EMA. So if we put it, let's just go 75 ticks, and let's go 125 ticks to the downside. So we're going to go ahead and go 125 ticks to the downside and have it comfortably over this May for the stop loss. And we want it this way because if price does get to the point where it keeps rejecting, but then it comes and breaks over the 8 EMA, we still have these other time frames that tells us that if price does continue to the upside, it may break the 5-minute, it may break the 10-minute, but if we go to the 15-minute, if it comes back up and it rejects off this 15-minute 8 EMA, we still want enough cushion to where it can come up and we can comfortably have price moving in our stop loss to the point where it comes up to a different 8 EMA, rejects off of it, and then continues to the downside. So that's why we have our stop loss over the 8 EMA comfortably, since we are in a bearish trend. And if we was in a bullish trend, then we want the stop loss to be comfortably under the 8 EMA. So we go ahead and go back to the 3-minute, and we're targeting 125 ticks. Our risk in 75 ticks. And then if we continue to play it out, we can see that price ended up making a big push to the downside, ended up coming down to make a lower low, and then a higher low right here, and then it rejected again to close under right here. And then if we continue to play it, it continues to this downside, and we ended up hitting our trade and then taking our profit there. And you may be thinking like, damn, that's so simple. Like, why is it so simple? Well, that's a great question. And with trading, it shouldn't be hard. It should be very boring. It shouldn't be anything very complicated. All you need to do is just find these 2 simple steps, and you'll be able to find high quality entries as you continue to practice it and you continue to actually execute these trades the same way every single time. The key is to having the discipline and the psychology to actually do this the same way every single time, because human error is real. And if you do it differently every single time and you're not mentally disciplined with your execution and your trades, then you will get entries that does not align with the 8 EMA, or you may think that every single trade is going to hit. And if one trade does not hit, then the trade that you're taking overall are just trash, when that's not the case. You are going to lose trades with this strategy, just like any other strategy out there. You're not going to have a 100% win rate. It just does not work like that. But if you lock in and have the mental discipline to execute it the same way every single time, because this is very simple. It's super simple. So it's not that hard to get. It's not that hard to find entries and to profit off of these entries. But you have to think long term with anything that you're doing whenever it comes to trading. But that is a very simple explanation as to how the strategy goes, because there is no like complicated explanation to this. That's literally all you're doing with these trades. And that's why I say that this is easily the most underrated tool that you can be using in 2026, because there's a lot of strategies out there that are super complicated, where you need 10 steps to be met in order for you to actually get into any type of trade, where you're waiting a week or 2 weeks or a couple of days. And of course, that's all cool if that's the route that you're trying to take. But a lot of you guys are trying to find simple, easily executable strategies out there that you can use, and having it to where it's super simple to find entries. And once again, that's why I say that this is possibly the most underrated tool that you can use in all of 2026 and going forward, because it's literally one line and you're only using 2 steps to find entries. But that'll be it for me, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and drop it in the comments and I'll respond as soon as possible. And if you want tutoring and just overall coaching whenever it comes to this strategy, there's a free trial link just for you for 7 days that you can use to get into my VIP coaching access program. So if you want access to that, then go ahead and hit the link in the description and you can claim it there. But I'll see you guys in the next video.